Let's start cooking. Hi guys, welcome to my cooking channel. So today we're making vegetable fried noodles. This is a lot healthier than the ones that you usually get at the takeout. Obviously, I'm trying to eat healthy and use a lot less oil. So first of all, we will prep the vegetables. So here I'm going to cut the onions and grate the ginger, and then cut some carrots and mushrooms as well. For the chilies, I'm using red and green chilies to add some color to the dish. Use as much as you want. Obviously, it depends on your spicy preference level. So if you don't like it as spicy as I do, you can always reduce.
Spicy!
So for the carrots, we're cutting them into thin strips, and that's so that they don't get soggy when they're cooked, and they retain some sort of shape and crunch. So this dish is actually quite simple to make. The only time-consuming part is prepping the vegetables. After that, it comes together pretty easily, just to fry everything together and then prepare the sauce after that. I'm now cutting the bell peppers, so you want to cut those into thin strips. Again, we want to retain some sort of crunch, and we will be adding those at the end of the frying process so that, again, they can retain some crunch and the flavor. The shiitake mushrooms, so you can use other types of mushrooms. You can always replace those with button mushrooms, but I highly recommend using shiitake mushrooms because they do have a deeper flavor. Now we will just prep the garlic as well. I would also recommend using a good quantity. I used approximately 6 to 8 cloves here. So we've just finished prepping the ingredients. We have the red onion, carrots, yellow and orange. We have shiitake mushrooms, some red capsicum, chili, green and red, some ginger, garlic, and the bok choy. Also for the sauce, we're doing soy sauce, olive oil, then tahini. So this will make it creamy and nice. Salt and pepper, and then these are the noodles we have. So this is what we're using. These are the only ones available in the Netherlands market, so use whichever noodles you like. Now we fry the onions. Make sure they're well browned before starting to add the rest of the vegetables. After we brown the onions, we will add to them ginger, garlic, and the chili. Make sure the flavor infuses well, and then after that we can start adding the carrots. Fry the carrots, and then after frying the carrots well, add the mushrooms, and lastly we add the capsicum. Don't overcook the capsicum because we're still looking for that crunch. For the bok choy, we're going to blanch it before adding it to the rest of the vegetables. So for the bok choy, make sure you add it to a boiling water, keep it for approximately 2 minutes, and then take it out so that it can still retain its crunch. add the noodles to boiling water. Make sure they're well cooked and soft before taking them out. For the sauce, combine 5 tablespoons of soy sauce mixed with 1/4 cup of tahini sauce. To that, add black pepper, some vinegar, and some olive oil, and some salt to taste. For the tahini sauce, ensure that you use something that is 100% sesame seeds that are ground up and doesn't include any additives. That will ensure maximum creaminess and flavor. So mix the vegetables and then add the noodles to the sauce. Make sure it's really well combined and it absorbs majority of the sauce before plating. That will ensure maximum flavor. So you definitely want to mix it really well and make sure the noodles are well coated. Then for plating, I will just put some of the noodles on the plate and top that with some of the vegetables, and then finally garnish. To garnish, add some black sesame seeds and some chili flakes and a drizzle of olive oil, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Now I take a bite. This looks so good. Really excited. So good.